Hi, and welcome once again to Tech, Tools, and Hacks. Your host, Javi Tech. Okay, I just want to bring right here a great example of one of the most economical microphone that I have encountered in the industry, and this is a Behringer XM8500, and the average price is $30. Sometimes you get it at 25 and whatnot. I got it for $13.90 right now. Is on sale in Amazon.com for $13.50. So it's a great price, and yes, it has a lot of plosives and S's and whatnot at the S here, of course, because this is a regular basic microphone. Everything can be done in post, so you can use a windscreen and so forth. But right now, this sounds better than what it was because I put some acoustically transparent foam. Here we go. Circular shape inside uh, the capsule cap. So it's sitting right on top of the capsule, even though it brings us a thin foam. And of course, with microphone ethics, you can always put it sideways, and plosives could lessen a little bit. And it has some insulation inside. So what happens right there? The handling noise reduces drastically. My SM57 sounds like this. That sounds louder than this here. Handling noise. The handling noise reduced drastically. So, even placing it here in the holder, that is subtle in comparison of how it used to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my other mic. I have another one of these, and I'll pause this video, and we'll repeat the handling noise. I'm going to leave everything the same, and even though you hear plosives here, they're reduced in comparison to how they come from factory. So, small alteration just to make it a great mic better. I'm not saying this is a mic made for singing and whatnot. This is good for podcasting, interviews and whatnot. So, just giving you my 2 cents. So, I'm going to pause the video so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to place the other factory unopened microphone. Okay, here we go. This is live, my people. This is live. All right. Here I have another Ultra Voice Behringer XM8500. Excuse the noise, please. I'm going to try to do this change, live. And there you go. All right. Let's get this out of the way. This is going to verify my mic volume on the mixer. It's more or less 10 o'clock-ish, if I'm not mistaken. Once again, resonance. That sounds louder. Okay, here we go once again. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna try to do this live. Okay, apparently everything is set right there, 10 o'clock-ish. There we go. And I have in the background, I have a humming, and that's the fish tank pumping system and the dryer. So resonance. For me, this sounds, of course, louder. Is it all emptied? Okay, I'm gonna do this live again. The switch. Okay, there we go. See how difference? See the difference? I mean, even this sounds different. Sounds more muffled inside. I'm not talking about the capsule. When I'm talking to the capsule, I'm talking about the handling noise. And of course, the less you move your hand, less handling noise you will have, of course, which helps. So, nevertheless, there it is. Helps a lot. And of course, this will increase the noise in any microphone, rubbing and whatnot. So, okay, so right there you have my 2 cents on how to do the reduction with that foam I just showed you right here, acoustically transparent. I'm going to show you Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. You see the difference right now? And I actually don't like those windscreens on top. I don't like the way they look. So that being said, this works for me. Plosives are reduced in comparison how it is factory type with nothing in it. And that small alteration right there, this microphone, you can just twist it open and put some of that foam inside and cut a quarter shape, I believe it was. Place it on top of the capsule. Place this capsule cover on it. Good to go. Make a great mic sound even better. And of course, if you have a mixer, you can always improve the sound if you don't like, if it sounds too dark, you can always brighten it, like right here. Let me see. I have right there the mids and the highs. I can cut back on the bass. There we go. Cutting on the bass. And it sounds lighter, brighter. It's up to you. I'm going to put everything right here in the middle. Testing 1 2 1 2 3 testing. Testing 1 2 right there in the highs. Testing 1 2 1 2 3 testing. Testing 1 2 1 2 3 testing. This is only a test. Testing 1 2. There we go, my friend. It is what it is, $13.90, $14 plus tax. You can't go wrong. It sounds, really. If you can EQ, I can EQ it. Put a windscreen, make it sound like this baby right here. Almost. And very, very close. So anyway, those are my 2 cents for just hacking, doing some changes. A great mic. And I recommend it. I have so many microphones. I don't mind buying them. I just like them. So there we go. This is black on black. Beautiful looking microphone. Sounds great. Here we go. Don't handle it too much. Grab it like that or like that. Just avoid doing the friction deal and whatnot. Many people get nervous and they do many handling stuff. So all depends how you grab it. Mic etiquette. So all right, my guys. Take care. This is another video from Tech Tools and Hacks. I thank you for visiting my channel. And this is always your channel as well. So take care, folks. Bye-bye.